I just decided to take a drive out. Is that lemongrass? Because I could use some. botanical garden like I don't have allergies. My throat is itchy, my nose is itchy, everything is just like and I'm really just vibing. What else am I supposed to do? We're in nature. It's tourist season. Of course I'm vibing. But anyway, I just decided to take a drive out. Is that lemongrass? Because I could use some. I decided to take a little drive out. Look at the scenery behind me. Oh my gosh. I know where to come when I need pictures. Yup. I don't care if it's an hour away. But I forgot what else I was saying. I'm kind of hungry now. I was thinking of going to this cute cafe, get lunch or something, but I just needed to drive out. And yeah, I have my little Polaroid camera in my hands. I have some pictures that I took, and oh my god, look at that. That is so beautiful. Oh wait, not that way, this way. Yeah, I just took pictures, but I think this is it for me. I've been here for like an hour. Yay, girl. Oh my goodness. Look at that. That's a cute peekaboo moment. This garden is beautiful. Wow. That's my day. When I do get something to eat, I will show. I don't know where else I'll be going. Honestly, probably nowhere else. I'm just enjoying my day, de-stressing. I am de-stressing. That's exactly what I'm doing. My chest feels lighter, but my throat and my nose is on a different level. And I can't take any allergy pills because, oh my god, that is such a cute little... Now I have all the pictures. I can come off my phone. Should I go underneath there? I would. But let's continue walking. Forgot what I was saying.